The children visit Grandpa's farm. Grandpa has a surprise.
Emma loves adventures.
Tom cannot believe it.
Grandpa hides a secret treasure.
The children get ready. Tom and Emma search for clues.
The first clue is near the coop.
Tom looks carefully.
Tom finds the first clue.
The clue points to the apple tree. Go to the apple tree.
The adventure continues across the sunny farm.
Emma searches carefully. Another hidden clue.
Emma finds the second clue. Go to the old barn. The map leads to the barn.
The barn feels mysterious.
The children keep searching.
The old barn is quiet.
Tom discovers something hidden. A tiny wooden chest.
Emma feels excited.
The children finally open the treasure. The treasure shines brightly.
The chest contains fun surprises.
Tom finds a family memory. Grandpa joins the children. Tom understands Grandpa's lesson.
Emma feels happy and loved.
The best treasure is family.